All right, so welcome everybody. Students, if you're watching this, I'm going to show you how to multiply two-digit by two-digit numbers using the area model. We have a pictorial version and a symbolic. What the heck is that, sir? Those are the numbers. But first things first, we're going to use Polypad. We're going to use our virtual manipulatives. So you got 12 times 13. What does that give me? Well, if we use the area model, we got to set that little guy up like this, right? Hopefully you've been seeing the area model since third grade, right? And then we're going to just model with base 10 blocks. All we're going to do is grab 12 and think of it as 10 plus what? Am I saying it? Because I'm hoping you're kind of watching this thinking, what is 10 plus 10? 12 means, sir? It means 10 plus 2. Get it? And so you set up 10, one 10, and then the two ones. The length of this, by the way, is 12. So when we say area model, we're just finding the area of a rectangle. That's all we're doing. That's all we're doing. Just find the area of a rectangle. Length times width. You learned that in third grade. Length times width. And that's all we're doing. So we got a length of 12 and a width of 13. And then my dimensions are, again, right here, 12 times 13. I'm going to put over here little times. And then all we do is fill it in. What is 10 times 10? 100. Ta-da! And then what is 10 times 3? Well, it's going to be what? 30. All right. Notice that these corners here will be my tens. This is really 2 times 10, which is 20. And then I'm multiplying here 2 times 3, which is uh, 6, right? Let's move this guy over. Copy. Copy. Bam. Ah. And then we move him down here. Oh, and too many, guys. You're like, you had too many. He did 9. I don't want 9, I want 6. And there's my answer. You can't get the wrong answer based on blocks or manipulatives. Just move these guys out of the way because these are your dimensions. So what you're multiplying. This is your answer. So this is 100. This is 30. This is 20. And this is 6. And that's what we add up. We have 100 plus, and you can do this too if you want to. How many tens do you have? Well, I got 50. Then plus the ones, plus the 6. My tens, right? I got 100 here, 100. Not me, I'm sorry, my hundreds, my tens, and then my ones. Hundreds, tens, and then ones. 150 what? 6. That's it. How hard is that? Easy stuff. So let's come over here to our paper, and we're going to draw it real quick. All right. We're going to draw it real quick. I'll use a different color to draw it. 10, 1, 2, 12. Get it? This is my 10. Another 10. 1, 2, 3. And then all you do is fill in your rectangle. You can never get the wrong answer. And as you can tell by my drawing, I am a professional artist. Don't try this at home. That's 100. That right here is going to be 30. 2 tenths here is my 20. Combine your tens. Here's my ones. That's 6. And I get the same answer, 156. Here, we're going to, let me just crease this guy here. We know the answer is 156. So we're going to just write it down one time over here. So we know this is 10 plus 2. Oh, here I got 10 plus 3. All right, if you need to stop the video, stop the video. Okay, so 12 times 13, right? So here I got 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 3. Now we just write the numbers for it. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 3 is 30. Same number here. 2 times 10 is 20. Same number here. 2 times 3 is what? 6. When I add this up, I'm adding 100 plus 50 plus 6, which is 156. Same thing we did over here, right? Here we decompose it this way. I'm limited in my room. I wrote it like this. Or I could have written down here 100 plus 50 plus 6. And that's it. Easy stuff. Area model. It's awesome.